So good morning students, welcome all of you in fifth lecture of chapter number 12. So up to now we have completed 12.1, then in 12.2 we completed question 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Only 8th question left, one question left only, and this first, second, third and ninth question, these are not in syllabus. So let us read question 8. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. This figure is given. So if you want to draw this figure, you can draw, otherwise no compulsion is there. Then here number of tiles are 16. So we can write total number of tiles equal to 16. The sides of triangle are, all these tiles are in shape of a triangle. So side of triangle are 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. So let A 9 centimeter, B 28 centimeter, C 35 centimeter. Then find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. All these tiles should be polished. Rate is 50 paise per centimeter square. So in this question we will follow three steps. First, we will find out the area of one tile by using the Heron formula. Second, we will multiply this area by 16. Then we will get area of 16 tiles. And in third step we will get the cost. So first step, Heron formula, second area of 16 tile, and then cost. So S A plus B plus C upon 2. So 9 plus 28 plus 35 upon 2. By adding all these three, I get 72. 72 upon 2. This is 36. Now area of triangle, square root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S, we can write 36. S minus A, so 36 minus 9. S minus B, 36 minus 28. S minus C, 36 minus 35. Now one by one we will remove the brackets. So 36, 36 minus 9, so 27, 36 minus 28, 8, this is 1. So 1 you can remove after this step. So one by one we will make factor of this. Three values, we get this factor. So let us count the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 times 2 will remain inside the square root and 2 times 2 I can write outside the square root. So now I will count 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, again 5 times. So 1, 3 will remain inside the square root and 2 times 3 I will write outside the square root. So after multiplying these four values, I get 36. 2 into 3, this is root 6. Now this value we can find by using the long division method. So root 6 is 2.45. So after multiplying these two values, I will get 88.20 centimeters square. So we completed the first step. First step is how to find out area of one tile by using the Heron formula. Now total number of tiles are 16. So area of 16 tiles, 88.20 multiplied by 16, we will get 1411.20 centimeters square. Now third step, we want to find the cost of polishing the 16 tiles. So this value multiply by 50 because cost is given here 50 paise. 50 paise here it is given. So multiply this by 50. You will get 705600. Here we can apply the point. So 70560 paise. You can leave the answer here also, no problem. But generally we write the answer in rupees. So if I convert paise into rupees, then I have to divide by 100. Means after this 2 digit I have to apply the point. So rupees 705.60. So again I am repeating three steps. First, find out the area of one triangle by Heron formula. Then multiply by 16, you will get area of 16 tiles. And then multiply by 50, you will get the cost in paise. If you want to change this paise into rupees, it is your choice. Otherwise, you can leave the answer here also. After this, let us revise the basic of this chapter again. Very small chapter. Few basics are there. So in basic, first, area of triangle, general formula, half base into height. Then Heron's formula. This formula will be applied when base and height are given. This formula will be applied when all three sides are given. So first we will find out S means semi-parameter, then area of triangle. Third, area of parallelogram formula is base into height. In one question we use this formula also. Then at fourth number, result. This result we use in question number 7. Very important result of exercise 12.2. Diagonals of square are equal and perpendicular bisector of each other. So in this chapter we use this 4 point or 4 basic point. So tomorrow we will start next chapter.